So welcome to Tiny Bites. This tutorial is for Linda and anybody else who needs to review these skills. We're going to be talking about select all versus drag select, and what's the difference between those two things, how to copy something that you selected, and then how to paste it somewhere else without any formatting. So here's the situation. I have my church's team's contact info in a Google Sheet. Now I want to grab just the email column to generate an email-only list somewhere else in a Google Doc. Then later I can use that information and copy and paste it into other programs like meal trains in the Caring Circle. How do I do that? Extract just the email part out of that spreadsheet and copy it somewhere else to make a new plain list. Here are the skills that we're going to cover. How to select all, how to drag select, how to copy, and how to paste without any formatting. The shortcut keys we're going to learn is select all, which is Command A. This little butterfly looking thing is called the Command key. You find it near your space bar, usually on your keyboard. Copy, the shortcut is Command C, and paste without any formatting is actually 3 keys. You get Command, the Shift key, and the letter V. So let's explore this topic. I'm assuming you have an internet browser with an active internet connection. Let's go over to our practice Caring Circle contact sheet. It's for pretend, none of these are real. Here are our old friends, Al the Anteater, Bob the Bear, Craig the Cougar, and Lucy Grasshopper. And you see their stuff on the contact sheet for this pretend team, their names, their email, and their phone. What happens if we select all? If I do that shortcut key, Command A, it selected everything. And if I'm trying to extract only this email part, that doesn't do me any good. So I do not want to use select all in this particular situation. So I click out anywhere to deselect that. What I'm going to do instead is a drag select. And that means this. I'm going to start with Ant up here. I'm going to click on it. So it's activated, but I'm going to drag my mouse. I have not let go of my button. I'm dragging it down, and I'm going to stop at Ladybug. You see how that happened? The blue highlighter came on. I'm going to stop and do it again. Click on Ant, still holding my mouse, dragging down, stop at Ladybug. It also works in the other direction too. I could have just as easily clicked at the bottom and dragged my way up and stopped at Ant. Either way is fine. Once it's selected, I can go to Edit, and I can slide down to Copy. If you're comfortable, you can use the shortcut key that I told you about, Command C, but in this case, I'm just going to click Copy. Now it's copied it. I'm going to come over here to my meal train list. I've made it as a Google Doc. There's nothing on it yet. I grabbed the info over there, I selected it, and I copied it, but I'm going to paste it over here. I'm going to go to Edit. And there's 2 options for paste, regular paste and paste without formatting. I want the one without formatting. I don't want any spreadsheet stuff coming over with me. I just want the data. So when I click paste without formatting, there you go. Only the emails, no table stuff, very plain list. We can save it there and we can share it with the Caring Circle team. So when we're going to make meal trains in another program, now you would want to select all, Command A. Everything selected, and you open your browser tab to whatever meal train program you use, and then you can just paste it over there. Hopefully that explains how to do that, and you've learned some new shortcut keys. Let me know if you have any help, and I'll talk to you soon.